Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys, and this video is about a slime shop review. I almost got you guys like we were doing a story time. We're not. We're doing a slime shop review. I'm at my grandparents' house with my uncle. My grandparents are on vacation, I think. What's today? No, they're not on vacation. Oh my god, I thought it was like 2 weeks ago. I need help on my days. So anyway, my friend Madison, who goes to St. George's with my sister Jayana, she got me, I've known her for a while now. She got me a like slime shop gift cards, so like I can go on a slime shop. It's called 123 Slimes, and I can go in the slime shop and I can pick out stuff. I can pick out one package that has 4 slimes and it has extras. This week I think I only picked out, I picked out 3. No, I picked out 4. I picked out 4. They all look the same, but that's okay. And I wanted to do a slime makeover on them. So that's why I kind of got all the same kind of looking slimes. They have different add-ins and stuff. So yeah. And yeah, what else was I going to talk to you guys about? So yeah, my friend Madison showed me that. So anyway, let's get opening. Okay guys, so we're about to open stuff. I crossed out my address. So I'm gonna show this side of the box because my address and this and that is all on that side. So I'm just gonna, and I crossed out my address anyway. If I do something, so this is my knife for my house. If Nuna tries to, if someone says, "Oh, you stole your grandparents' knife," this is mine. And I will cut your throat. I'm just kidding. That was really evil. Guys, I would never do that to you. I love opening boxes. If you want me to come to your house, I will. And just open your packages. Like, it's just so easy. That was okay. That's because I already cut it. Let's try this side. Ready? See this side. Oops. This side's all the way. Ready? T. Oh my god, I love cutting the center. What if I'm not cutting anything? Ooh. Okay, so yeah, I kind of cut that and got 2 of these little things. These are baggies. I like to just cut off the top and put slime in them. It saves your boxes. I mean, I actually don't save my boxes, but no, what am I showing them? Oh, okay, I got some party straws. Probably if the slimes are sticky, I can mix them with something in it. It's kind of creepy. This is like a random party straws sitting in a box. Wait, is this my eBay package? No, okay. I thought it was my eBay package, and then I see a slime. They're not my eBay packages because I know I ordered paper straws from you. I didn't even order. I ordered the one that pineapples on them, so. I didn't even order these ones. Hashtag mistakes. Hashtag mistakes for life. I make so many mistakes. It's like my life. No, but like actually I do. Like, mistakes? You know what? Nobody's perfect. I mean, Jesus was the only one who was perfect. You know what? Jesus wasn't even perfect. But, I mean, he kind of was perfect. This is like... So these are actually really cute because I just, like, shaped them in a weird... So I'll be giving these, if you guys order from my slime shop, I'll give you some of these. If you order them. The lemonade glass looks so nice. We're gonna display these actually now. My slime room is coming. My slime room is coming. Oh. Can you stop, sir? Like, ah! How much are these? I didn't get a price. There's not even a price tag on these. There's a barcode. It's actually kind of weird, but whatever. We got extras, necklaces, ponies, a piece of candy. We got an organic lollipop. So one piece of candy I got. So my extras are cool, I guess. And, we're gonna do one slime at a time. Here's the first. Here's the first slime. So put y'all on the table. Here's the first slime. So you can't see my face. I mean, you can. Ooh, these are all like the same exact color. It's just they have different like add-ins and stuff. Cause I'm gonna do something. So make sure you see my next video. I hope this video goes well. It doesn't go completely disastrous. I try to get all this out of the cat, but see how? Oh my god, I'm quaking. I am shaking in my boots. Do you see? Oh my god, it shows up. It shows up. It's so more glittery and it's so more like holographic. So there's sprinkles and hard. These aren't even foam beads though. These are like hard, straight up hard beads. Why are these straight up hard? They're not even foam. They're not even like foam beads. Look. This is metallic. It's like really pretty. I hear some. Oh. It's the neighbors. So we're gonna do some more ASMR with this, because yeah, so let's do it. And if you guys don't like ASMR, I'll only do a little. And if you guys like ASMR, I'm doing a whole ASMR video today that will be uploaded probably tomorrow. I'm gonna edit. It. I'm going to edit tonight. I'm gonna edit that video. This video right when I'm done filming this video. I'm gonna stop the ASMR real quick. So yeah, this video. Why did I do that? This video will probably be uploaded. My skin's really soft now. This video will probably. This is like really good. Ooh, it's jiggly. This slime shop is just getting a 5 for the metallic. This video will probably be uploaded tonight, guys. So yeah, it's It's April 13th, 2029. 2019. Get your years straight. It looks like. Let's put it in front of that. These paper straws are actually like not even cute. They're just like sitting in my background, kind of bothering me. Yeah, this video and then the ASMR video that I'm going to be doing will be uploaded tonight. Probably, I'm not even sure. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to edit. My editing only takes like 10-25 minutes because I don't do stuff. I mean, I make my face look better, but I'm just kidding. I don't make my face look better. My face looks like this. I would make my teeth straight if I could. I think I'm going to go to the dentist soon. Then I have to go to the orthodontist and get braces. I'm going to the orthodontist. Going to the orthodontist. There's a new orthodontist that's like that's getting put over there. Stop closing your doors. 18 kids trying to get in a van. There's actually not even any kids getting in a van. She has a van. Okay. She has a compass. Compass. It's a jolly holiday with Mary. I'm in the Mary Poppins play, actually. I'm doing it on my screen. But these are literally Quake! Okay, ASMR time, guys. And then we're moving on to the next one, because I don't want this video to be like an hour. Okay guys, so the thing about these is that they all have different containers, so I'm just trying to figure it out. So let's get all this funny look. These containers are all kind of different. This is cereal with, this is supposed to be raspberry milk, and it doesn't look like it, it looks like blueberry milk. But don't know why I was talking ASMR right now, but it's on my ASMR video. This is like super overact. Oh, I know why this is overactivated, because there's shaving cream in it, and she kind of activated it. I think, is there shaving cream in it? I don't even know if there's shaving cream in it, but it's kind of like it's a fluffy slime. It's fluffy. You can feel that. Do you know when you just like feel the slime and you know it's like fluffy, like, you're not dumb? We're gonna try to do ASMR, even though it sounds like so hard, but whatever. When you guys see me pull out a container, that means that the slime is ending. I only have 2 more slimes, which is so sad. Here's this one. Oh my gosh. This is creamy cake batter, and I'm living right now. Oh, honey, I'm living for you. Oh my god, honey, I'm living. I think she's a butter slime. She smells really, really nice. She's scented. She smells like blueberry cake batter, but I think she's... Is this... This is blue raspberry cake batter. I said it wrong before. I'm sorry. I just looked at the sheets. It's just like a note, and then it says what I got, and it's just like a note, and it says what I got. Blueberry cake batter. So I got blueberry cake batter. I said it wrong first time too. I'm just gonna put this in front of me so I know. Got a feeling that I'm going under. These are actually really cute, but I'm gonna show you. It's a little Mickey Mouse sprinkle. I will open the extras probably. And this is our last slime, and these are literally all the same colors. This is blue cake batter. This one's scented. Y'all, this one's totally scented. It smells like cocoa. I think it's blue cake batter. I'm not even sure. It's just in blue containers. Okay, this is, let's see what this one is. Blueberry cake batter, so I was right. I just didn't say berry, but I was technically right. What? Oh my god, wait. What is this? Oh, there's a charm. Oh, there's a charm, you guys. That's cute, I guess. There's a charm. Adorable. Yep, we got a little charm. The slime's actually really sticky, but I got a charm. It's really cute, actually. There's a lot of sprinkles in this slime. I got all cake batter slimes. Oh, dang. I feel like I should just, like, put them in different containers and just name them the same, you know? I mean, put them in containers, like, made one batch of slime, put them in containers, but y'all don't know. Y'all don't know. I'm just cleaning that up so it's not open, and I know that I already opened this box. I want to make sure nothing's spilled. Oh my god, my hair is like, there's so much. I am being really rude right now, but there's so much going on right now. Next thing I'm wearing is this bag that we got. Just put in the box in the bag to go home. I wanted to review it. Oh my god, I'm so hopping. I wanted to review it right here. Oh my god, there's a lemon warheads. Okay, we're gonna eat this. It smells sour. Clearly, I'm not doing this clear out. She has her headphones in. I think this girl lives in California, and I know warheads are kind of big in California. It's actually not even that sour. I've just been freaking out. Just lie down on the dresser. I'm gonna lick it. Oh, I'm gonna lick it like 4 times. And then I'm gonna... What am I doing? I'm gonna lick it like 4 times and put it in my mouth. And this is the only piece of candy I'm gonna have because I just totally fell. Why did I just like totally fall back in? Like, I grabbed my bag and just, like, totally fell. Okay, well, anyway, guys. Um, Look at those caramel cough drop things. I just got a YouTube notification. Melissa and Brookie, y'all gotta like, you post like every day. I post every day. Yeah, I post every day. I just go to school a lot, so I usually only post on weekends. It's Saturday and Sunday. It's Saturday, I think. Don't even know what day it is. It is. Okay, guys. So you know, at the end of the video, I do something crazy. Crazy. I haven't done that, but I jumped off the stairs to use the ladder thing. This is my thumbnail. This is my thumbnail, guys. Ready?